Magandang araw, students! Welcome sa panibagong araw ng learning at saya dito sa Learning is Easy with Teacher Fish, kung saan ang pag-aaral hindi lang madali, kundi exciting pa. Game na ba kayo? Let's go! Do you like sounds? How about words that sound fun? Today, we are going to have a super fun lesson about analyzing sound devices. Sound devices are words or tricks that writers use to make poems or stories sound nice, fun, or exciting when you read them. They help the words pop, sing, or even bounce in your ears. O sa Tagalog, ito yung ang mga salita ay parang kumakanta o tumutugtog sa iyong isip. Look at the following words. Can you imagine what these sound like? Galing! These are sound devices. Again, mga salita na parang may tunog or rhythm. Now let us learn the 4 cool kinds of sound devices one by one. The first is onomatopoeia. Sabihin nyo nga ulit. Bagalan natin ng konti ha, and sundan nyo ako. A, na, ma, ta, pi, a. Let's say it together. Onomatopoeia. Kayo nga? Very good. So, onomatopoeia are words that copy or suggest the sound they represent. O sa madaling salita, they are words that sound like what they describe. Or in Tagalog, yung tunog talaga. For example, splash, whistle, buzz. Diba? Yung splash is tunog talaga ng tubig pag bumabagsak, while whistle naman is the sound ng hangin na parang sumisipol. Of course, you are all familiar sa tunog ng bee. Right. Buzz nga ang tunog niya. Ngayon naman, let's use one of the words in a sentence. The bee buzzed around the flowers. So, students, repeat after me. Splash, whistle, buzz. Remember again that these words are examples of onomatopoeia. Next is alliteration. It is when words start with the same letter or sound. It's like a fun tongue twister. Or sa Tagalog, pare-pareho ang simula ng tunog. Let's read the examples. Sabayan niyo ako, ha? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. And Big Black Bug bit a big black bear. Napansin niyo ba na yung first example natin has the repeating P sound? And yung pangalawa naman ay may repeating B sound. These are what we call alliteration. Subukan nyo nga ulit na basahin yung first example natin. How about the second example? Can you read it one more time? Good. Remember, ha? Ang alliteration is kapag ang mga words ay nagsisimula sa parehong letter or sound. The third sound device is called assonance. It uses the same vowel sounds in the middle of words, o sa Tagalog, pareho ang tunog ng vowel o patinig sa gitna ng salita. Examples of assonance are cake, lake, face. Or room, moon, cool. Now let us use it in a sentence. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. Can you tell me which words have the same vowel sound in the middle? That's right. Rain, Spain, mainly, and plain all have the long A sound in the middle. Pare-pareho silang may tunog na A sa gitna ng salita, kaya assonance yan. Now repeat after me. Rain, Spain, mainly, plain. The last is consonance. It is when the same consonant sound appears anywhere in the words, not just the start. Sa Tagalog, pareho ang tunog ng consonants o katinig, kahit sa gitna o dulo ng salita. Here again are some examples of consonants. Black, sack, and clock. Another, kitten, mitten, and bitten. Now, let us again have an example sentence. Mike likes his new bike. Can you tell again kung alin sa mga words sa sentence ang may parehong consonant sound? Excellent! Even though the spelling is different, KE in Mike, KES in likes, KE in bike, they all share the same K consonant sound which creates consonance. So, palagi niyong tatandaan, consonance is when the same consonant sound appears anywhere in the word. Let's say it together. Mike, like, bike. There you go, students, the 4 kinds of sound devices. Now, it is time to check kung ano ang natutunan nyo sa ating short but fun lesson. Match the sentences in column A with the correct sound device in column B. Write the letter of your answer on the line before the sentence. Pause the video para may enough time kayo to answer our activity, then continue watching to check if tama lahat ng sagot nyo. Good luck! Are all your answers correct? Good job! Now let us recap our lesson. Always remember, onomatopoeia are words that sound like what they describe. Alliteration are words that start with the same letter or sound. Assonance uses the same vowel sound in the middle of words, while consonance uses the same consonant sound in the middle or end of words. Before we end, try to answer this task. Answer or do one of the following. Which sound device did you like the most and why? Or give your own example of any sound device. Remember to write your answer on the comment section. Great job today, class! Natapos na naman tayo sa isang lesson na makakatulong sa pag-level up nyo sa school, life, and the future. Please do not forget to press like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating new lessons. Share nyo na din to sa mga classmates and friends nyo para sabay-sabay kayong mag-level up. Kita-kits ulit next time dito sa Learning is Easy with Teacher Fish. Bye!